I've personally made hundreds of pounds selling my drawings on Fiverr, and you can too, with, I would say, very little experience. Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you not one but two legitimate ways to get AutoCAD completely free. And I'm also going to show you a third bonus way of getting AutoCAD. It's not completely free, but it is much better than paying for the full version. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to smash the like button and follow me for more videos about AutoCAD and engineering in general. The first way to get AutoCAD for free that I'm going to talk about is AutoCAD Student version. There are a couple of drawbacks with this version, but it is free, and it's free for at least 1 year, if not 3. So it's perfect for learning. It has virtually all the features of the full AutoCAD. The only there are two main drawbacks. One is that it's slightly harder to get hold of, and the second one is that anything you produce will have a watermark like this around the printouts, so you can't really use it for professional work. But having said that, if you're just learning, this doesn't really matter. And if you want to learn AutoCAD, you can make a lot of money with AutoCAD if you've got that in your skill set. So by the time you do need to pay for it, it shouldn't be a problem. Now you might think that the student version of AutoCAD isn't very good, but you'd be wrong. It has actually got nearly all the same features as the full version of AutoCAD. And it's free for at least a year. Now, if you've got some spare time, even if it's just an hour a day in the evenings, you can learn in 1 year. I mean, you can learn AutoCAD to a professional level in probably just a few weeks, and it's a life skill. It can make you some serious money. It makes people who do AutoCAD make, I would say, in the UK, definitely more than average. Even a starting wage for a junior CAD technician is £13 an hour, which is probably £15 an hour, $15 US dollars an hour, if not more. That's in London, but that's still better than average, definitely. So if you're thinking, oh, I'm not sure if I should do this, this is a great way to get AutoCAD for free for a year, and that's plenty of time to brush up on your skills. If you've been using it for a year, you'll be able to make money with AutoCAD, even if not in an sort of full employment, then by freelancing. I've personally made hundreds of pounds selling my drawings on Fiverr, and you can too, with, I would say, very little experience. The second way to get AutoCAD for free is to get a free trial of the full version. If you can get to there from pretty much anywhere on the Autodesk website. If we go back to the educational page and scroll down, you can see here we've got the full version of AutoCAD, which is different from AutoCAD LT. So we're going to click on the full version, get started, and again, you just all you have to do for this version is sign up and use your account, and you'll get a free trial of AutoCAD for 30 days. Now you might be thinking that's not really a free way of getting AutoCAD, but to sign up for an Autodesk account, all you really need is an email. You don't have to give over much else in terms of information. So in theory, there is nothing stopping you getting lots and lots of free trials. However, I don't advise or condone this, and it's certainly not something I do. And that's because of the third way of doing it, which I'm going to show you here. Now if we come down to AutoCAD LT, just to give you a quick comparison of AutoCAD LT versus vanilla AutoCAD, AutoCAD LT is £54 a month, whereas the full version of AutoCAD is £234 a month. That's more than 4 times as much. And the only real difference is that the vanilla full version of AutoCAD does 3D. Now, honestly, in most applications, you're not going to use 3D that much. If you really need to use 3D for like fancy architectural stuff, you're going to use Revit. That's in my experience, most 3D stuff for buildings and architecture is done in Revit. And if you look at this, you can actually get AutoCAD LT and Revit LT as a suite for £90 a month, so it's just less than double the price of AutoCAD LT, but you get Revit in with that as well. And now Revit LT on its own is £72 a month, so that's actually a really good way of doing it if you think you are going to be using Revit as well. Revit is a different package altogether, and I will do some videos on that, but if you're thinking of going for the architectural side of things, then this is actually a really good thing to go for. I hope you found this video useful. Please leave me a comment if you managed to get a free version of AutoCAD after watching this. I'm going to leave some links in the description below to help you find all these pages easier, as well as some links to my blog. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.